Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. You might as well, since you stopped by, because I really appreciate you stopping by, and I would love for you to have you as a subscriber. Now, if you're interested in this little cute finger wave, and that is her name, finger wave, it's by Outre, and I'll leave the information card for that review right here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And we're still on the Outre bandwagon. I've been on the Outre bandwagon for about 3 weeks here. And I have a unit. Her name is Kelis, or Kelis. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but she's not new. She looks like a side part unit, and she has a soft body wave type pattern. Very, very pretty on the stock card in that gray color. And I have her in a DR30, which I think is a very, very pretty color. I think it's a very pretty color for melanated skin. And this is what she looks like. See the soft wave pattern? And the DR, of course, means dark roots. So she has dark roots. There's the parting space. And you have brown lace. And typical cap construction with the 2 combs at the temple and the 1 comb in the back and the breathable cap. So I don't think there'll be anything too complicated about this unit, hopefully. And I'm going to cut the lace and cut the tag, and I'll be right back. So here's Kelis, or Kelis, straight on my head. And just like I thought, I knew I was gonna like this color. I always like DR30 on me, and I think it looks good. If you don't want to go, if you want to do some color, but you don't want to be really, really blonde, you know, this is a nice color if you want to add some color to your wig collection. And I do notice a few little flyaways right here at first, so I'll have to fix that. But it's pretty long. This is the length, and this is all the hair to the front. And it's a nice density. It's not thin at all, and it might be too thick for the summer, but it's perfect for this time of year. And I really love this color for this time of year. So yeah, I'm gonna brush it out, and let's see if we get any tangles or snags or anything. Got a lot more on this side, but it's not overwhelming. And the hair is nice and soft, and it's a very, very light yaki. You can kind of see a little bit of texture, but not a whole lot. And it's just the perfect texture. It's not too silky, but it's not that niche texture either. I like it. So let me do just a little bit of something to her, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna speed through this part. Okay, so this is Kelis, and all I did was put some hair fetish in the parting space to kind of define it a little bit more. I put this side behind my ear, and I just put a little tiny swoopy swoop. I don't know, I just always think wigs look better with a little subtle swoop. You don't have to be all baby haired, but just a little nice swoop, you know, kind of just takes it up a notch for me. So I think she's pretty, and I love the little soft wave. And I bought her from Hair to Beauty, but I don't remember how much it was. I don't think it was much. If I can remember, I'll leave the price right here. So yeah, another Outre winner. So let's put on our sunnies and do what we do. So like always, please leave your comments, like, share the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you stayed all the way down here to the end, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.